How to add a Note Creator widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold on an empty spot. Next, we go down, then tap on Widgets. Now from here, scroll down, then tap on Notes. And here there are three different widget size: small one, medium, or a large one. So select a widget size and then drag it and place it on your home screen. You can also resize it depending on which widget you have selected. You can also resize the widget as well. Here you can open up notes, all notes, or you can open up a note and get ready to write, or you can open up a note and start to draw. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.